Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my FabFitFun unboxing for winter. This box is super small. Usually they're quite long, but this one's like a little compact. It's very deep though. So I'm just gonna put this over there. I took everything out of it and I'm so excited to get into this video. Just a few housekeeping things. I obviously have not been posting a whole lot. My mom got a cancer diagnosis in August, and since then it's been really hard to feel good, but luckily her treatment is starting to work and we're feeling more hopeful, so I'm taking this as like a sign from the universe to just really put my heart and soul into the things I love, because no day is guaranteed, and just to really cherish the time I have with people I love and spend my time on earth doing what I love doing. And I've always been kind of embarrassed about my passions. I've always felt, I don't know, like they aren't cool, or I'm not like perfect at them so I'm not good. But I think that's bullshit now. We should do what we love regardless of where we are in our journey with those things. And I may not have the best editing yet. I film against a bedroom wall and in a very small bedroom. I don't have the best setup, but that doesn't mean that my content isn't still good. And it's something I love doing, so regardless, I'm just going to do it. So anyway, that was all that to say. Let's get into this unboxing. So as always, we have some literature and some cards. So this is a $15 off box code. I don't know if it's good for... Okay, it's valid for only new customers, but I'm gonna put the code down below because I really truly have been loving FabFitFun since I got them. This is my third box resubmitting to FabFitFun, and I think I'll continue this subscription. And I think I'll continue this subscription. I really enjoy it. It also came with cute little like holiday stickers. Adorable. I love that they've been adding stickers. And then there is a little wine card. I guess you get a certain money off of this thing called Bright Sellers. A little gift of a 14-day trial of HBO Max. If y'all haven't seen Insecure, sign up for this because Insecure is so freaking good. And then we have the magazine. The one thing I do not see on my little box breakdown that I got is this little thing called Mani Moments. It's a vegan brand and it's a manicure in a box with a nail file. I was super intrigued by this. I've been doing my mom's and my nails like once a week since she got sick. Oh, I guess it's to prep your hands for like a manicure, because this is like a sugar scrub and then a moisturizer. It also comes with a little nail file. So that's kind of cute. Maybe I'll do that with my mom and me on our next little manicure day. It does not have a price on this. I think it's like a free sample. Let me just double check myself. Oh, okay, this was part of a bundle. So this was also bundled with this Winky Lux Lip Oil, and these combined are $38. The Winky Lux Lip Oil, I tried Winky Lux years ago. I'm gonna say 2017 in BoxyCharm, and they were at the first Gen Beauty I ever went to, but I haven't really been super into them. I had really liked one of their eyeshadow palettes, but it just feels like for the quality of the products, I didn't love the price range of it. So this is a cute little lip oil and it has little stars in it. I actually used this lip oil and I found it really nourishing and very nice. It wasn't too slick. It was a little bit more on the, it's not goopy, but it's more thick, so that it really like laid on my lips and stayed there, and it left them really nice and soft. So I'm excited to continue to use this. So these are the first two products then that I got in my FabFitFun box. I'm going to go out of order. I guess I'll go for the ones I didn't pick to the ones I did pick. This is the next one that was picked for me. This is by the brand Espa. It is an exfoliating body polish, and this retails for $38 as well. I used this when I showered the other day, and it has a really interesting texture. When it says like exfoliating body polish, I expected it to be almost like I have an AHA scrub for my arms because I have those little bumps on them. And it felt like straight up like sand almost. This is like a liquid with like one or two little exfoliating beads mixed in it. And it smells really interesting too. It smells like mint. It smells like, oh my god, specifically the Mint Majesty tea from Starbucks, which is my favorite tea of all time. It smells just like that. I'm gonna try using it again. I only used a little bit because I didn't know like how much to use. It is quite a decent sized bottle. So hopefully it will revitalize and smooth my skin out. On to the things that I picked. The first one that I picked is a Briogeo product. I have been very into Briogeo, and I've also been very into, as you guys know, since I've been getting FabFitFun, I've been on a little bit of a hair journey. And I am convinced that I have curly hair. My proof in that is I have been using shampoo for curly hair recently, and after I shower and I leave it to air dry, my hair is like significantly more curly. This is like a 1.5 day since the wash, so it's just waved now. But I truly feel like I have soft curls in my life. So the option was between they have quite a few options, but the two that I was interested in was a different Briogeo product. It was a Rosarco Milk treatment, and then the Curl Charisma Leave-In Defining Cream. I'm gonna try this out. I have to pick a day where I'm gonna wake up and shower and let it air dry. I've been like, you know, scrunching it more and like making individual curls, and I really do see that like my curl / waves have really been coming through, which is exciting. Again, I'm not super great at like taking care of my hair, but I thought if I could just have like a little bit more body to my hair, that'd be great. Because when I don't take care of it, it is straight, but it's like a poofy straight. And I've been seeing on TikTok people like, yeah, I thought I had poofy straight hair, but I actually have curly hair. So I'm just convinced that I have curly hair. So I picked this one to see if my like thought process it has been correct, and I do have curly hair. That retails for $20, which is actually really quite affordable. I have right now that I've been using is their like leave-in conditioner mask with Rosarco milk. I purchased that one for I think $38 on Ulta, and the days when I use instead of conditioner, I really feel like my hair has more body and more curls to it. So I think I just have not been hydrating my hair in the way that it needs. Okay, the next item in the box. Since my makeup journey started 4 years ago, I have never once been able to apply fake lashes. I just cannot get it. I have a lot of lashes. I'm like very blessed with very full lashes, and so I don't typically need to wear falsies. But when I try to put them on, because I have so many lashes, they get in the way and it just feels weird, and I've just never been able to perfect the false lash. I feel like I haven't crossed like a hurdle. Like I'm not yet in my like super prime makeup world because I cannot apply falsies. Which leads me to this, I was getting somewhere. I got this Glamnetic. I got these Glamnetic magnetic eyelashes. So it comes with a little eyeliner, which is actually magnetic. You're supposed to put it on like the top part of your lids, and then the eyelashes, which are in the shade Virgo, in the style Virgo, are magnetic as well. So I should be able to, I really don't think I could mess this up. It is glueless. I do not think I can mess this up. And Virgos have never steered me wrong. All my best friends are Virgos, so I have faith in this. And this retails for $59.99. They're quite expensive, but you can reuse them again and again and again because they're magnetic, unless you like mess up the lash. I have good feelings about this. I have good feelings about this. I might do a video for YouTube where I'm actually trying on these, because your girl, you know, you never know. I could be absolutely awful at this and it's just a sign from the universe to never put on falsies. I don't know. So that was my second pick. The next item I picked were earrings. I have been big into the jewelry from FabFitFun. I don't typically buy jewelry for myself, though CO is having a sale right now. I do love CO, and I might pick up something from there. I don't wear jewelry a lot in general. I do always have like a little dainty necklace on, and I like to have earrings on. For a long time I didn't wear earrings, and then I was like, I should get back into this because I just love the way they look. I'm just lazy. So they had from Kate Spade a set of 2 earrings, these pearl ones, and then I have these ones on right now, which are just like a little crystal. I love Kate Spade. My purse is from Kate Spade. My wallet's from Kate Spade. I've had nothing but good experiences with Kate Spade, but I've always wanted to try their earrings, and I cannot tell the size online, and I was afraid they'd be a little too big. These are quite big. Like I can't sleep in them, which is, I think, one of the biggest reasons I stopped wearing jewelry. So I only put these on if I'm having like meetings. But these retail for $68. They were a set of 2, and I'm very happy with them. And I feel like they just do really like bring some kind of life to my face and like complete the look, you know? All right, and the last product I picked. Very excited for this one. This is a Herschel Tote Bag in this like dusty pink shade, and this retails for $59.99. So pre-pandemic, when I was an actor, I'm still an actor, but when I was like actively like commuting to Manhattan to go to auditions, I needed to carry like my headshots, my lunch, everything, and I never had like a tote bag that I felt like I could do that with, you know, a pair of shoes if I needed to change, or a different shirt, or any number of things. If there was a dance call, I always had to bring a backpack, and I hate bringing backpacks into Manhattan. I do not know what it is. It's just not for me. So this is a really large tote, and it opens up really nice and wide. It's a zip tote too, which I love because I don't trust people not to stick their hands into my totes. It has 2 pockets in here, and it's like super incredibly spacious, where I feel like also on days where, since I work from home now, when I go to the office, I have to bring a bunch of stuff with me. I can slip my laptop in here, I can slip my lunch in here, my wallet, my keys, like everything I need into this little tote and take it with me. I think it's super cute looking. And my partner has a Herschel backpack and he loves it. So I was like, cool, I think I could be a Herschel tote girl. And so that is the last thing that I got in my FabFitFun box. I'm so happy, consistently happy with FabFitFun. I know that I had expressed distaste with it a few years ago when I had first canceled. And I just think it's because I was in a different spot in my life. Like back then, I was just getting into makeup. So all that I wanted was makeup. I wanted to build my collection, and now I have a really solid amount of makeup. Like I'm very happy with the collection I have, and I'm looking to build on other things of my life. Like I think because I'm more confident in my makeup now, I'm really looking into skincare and hair care. I'm looking into like accessories, like jewelry, and I'm looking in how to make my life more functional in like a bag way, you know what I mean? It's not so makeup focused. So I feel like now that I'm more, I don't want to say more adult because I feel like I've always been very adult, but now that I'm further along in my life, I really, really appreciate FabFitFun in a different way than when I was younger. So I'm going to total up everything that I got in the box today, and we will discuss. Okay, so the total for this box is $283.98. I paid $50 for this, and like I say every time, the sticker price, like, oh my god, I got this so much in my box, does not matter to me. What matters to me is like the curation of the box and the thought that went along with the items that we could have picked, and I'm very, very consistently happy with FabFitFun's curation of the box and the options that we get to pick. I'm just incredibly, incredibly happy with it. I think maybe I will up for the whole next year. Instead of paying by box, I'll just pay like, I think $150 to get to save 1 box. I think I might do that because I've just been really, really happy with it. So yeah, guys, that is my FabFitFun unboxing. Sorry for the consistent rambling. I'm just back to YouTube, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm excited for this next part of my life. I'm ready to leave 2021 behind and start fresh and happy and really push myself in 2022. So thank you guys for being on this journey with me, and I'm so excited to continue to upload. If you have any video suggestions, as always, you can leave them below. And if you got your FabFitFun and you got different choices than me, let me know what you got. Alright, I'm gonna leave now. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.